In this video, we're going to show you how to create and mark a CSV database format file using your Patmark Windows-based software. So I already started by creating a simple format in Excel. So I have three separate columns of information. First one is a company name, the second one is a basic serial number, and the third is just a general part number. Again, this is just an example for the video. And the important thing is we want to save this as a CSV comma delimited format file. And what this is going to do is going to help our Windows-based software to separate the information and mark it in an orderly fashion. And once we have everything saved, we can now move on to the next process. So I know that I have three separate columns of information. So what I'm going to do here in the software is create three separate text fields. And I'm not going to worry about the settings quite yet because I'm going to use the dashboard for that. So I'm going to finish up here with my third one. Now that I have all three fields done, I'm going to use the dashboard. I'm going to select all three text fields and change multiple fields at one time. So I'm going to change our height to 2.5. Width is going to stay. Pitch, I'm going to change to 2.5 to help squeeze it in a little bit more. Force, I'm going to change to a 3. And the quality, I'm going to upgrade that to an 8 to get a higher quality mark. And for the reverse marking, we're going to reverse the second field just to help speed things up a little bit. Now that we have that set, we're going to work on our location of all three text fields. So I'm going to select the first one and change the Y to 3.5 millimeters on the grid. Next, I'm going to select all three fields and use a vertical pitch of 4 millimeters to help even everything out and make it look clean for our tags. Once we have all three text fields created with the settings that we want and the locations that we need, we can now go on to the CSV importing part of this video. To start this process, we're going to click the CSV Marking Tab. Once that window opens, we can now move on to the process of selecting the file that we created called Video Sample. Now that that's open, you're going to notice all three columns of information that we created are loaded, ready to go. And once you are set, you can click the Done button and start marking your tags. Thank you for watching, and contact us for your next part or tag marking application. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out more helpful training videos.